So this time last week I was buying this house, so I just thought I'd update you and show you what we've done in a week, and hopefully it's different from what it looked like before. It does look a lot different, so I'll just show you. Just a second. So here's the kitchen. Well, first of all, this is the laundry room. As you can see, the ceiling fell off when we were taking the wallpaper off. So I think that was in the last video that I talked about that, but yeah, and it's been really hard to get off. I still have to do this corner all the way over to here, so it's very sticky wallpaper paste. And then that's my mom. And then we took the covered doors off. We're gonna paint those and paint the boxes. And then this is what it looks like. And the kitchen over here. And over here. And we took the border down, but that was in the last video too. So then this is the dining room over here. And these are all the doors and the drawers from the cabinets. And that's my mom making a ton of noise. Sorry. It's okay. So these are the drawers and the cabinet doors from the kitchen, and that's my chair. And this is where the carpeting used to be, and that's just the pads still down there. And then we painted these walls, painted all the window, painted more walls, which I can't focus on because it's just white. This took forever. This was my job. This is just the primer, and it took like almost all day yesterday to paint the primer, but I think it looks way nicer. So anyway, that's what we've done so far. And that was the color that it used to be. So I think the white looks way better, even though this is just the primer, so that's nice. The only thing is that when we took off the switch plates, they fell apart, so I have to get new electrical plugs because I can't really have plugs that are falling apart. So yeah, I don't think that's really safe not to have an electrical plug. Okay, so that's what we've done so far. I think this place looks way bigger, even just with the primer. It looks really nice. And then the hallway is painted too. If you're ever thinking of painting stripes on your walls, please think again. So at one point, someone painted stripes on these walls, and then someone else came along and painted over them and didn't sand down the stripe lines. So we are sanding them down before we paint them. It was a lot of work. Hi. Okay, so it's Friday. I've had my house for 1 day, or 1 week. It feels like 1 day. And I just wanted to show you some of the furniture that I'm going to put in my house. It's all thrifted things that we found at different stores, different fun places like the Habitat for Humanity or a couple other stores that we really like to shop at. So just thought I'd give you a little peek at the furniture, and it's in my garage, so I have to refinish a few pieces too. So just going to give you a peek. Okay, here. Okay, so this is a buffet, and if you follow me on Instagram, you saw me find this and how it took me a few days to decide to finally get it. Also, random, there's a horse on the wall. So, yep, I got that, and then I got this table over here. That's the hairpin leg table that I found for $5. And this is another table that was a failure of a project, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. These are my beautiful school chairs that I have here. This is my dining room table. I'll have to show you sometime how that works. It has 3 leaves, you can see them here, and it opens up and slides out to a full table. These are my doors. This is a gift that my aunt gave me. It's a bed that folds out. So yeah, it's just a few of my furniture finds.